On question number 10, the solution set of that results in a false statement, like let's say you would have like, oh, 5 is less than 0. That's false. That would result in an empty set or no solution. The solution for an inequality in which any value of x results in a true statement, let's say like I have, let me switch colors here. Let's say I have like 5 is less than 6. That is, all your variables cancel, and that's true. That would be all real numbers or infinite solutions. Like I said, provide your own examples. I gave you a couple examples there. On number 11, which one of these does not have a solution of x is greater than 2? Well, let's start with our first one here. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. And then I'll get negative 2x is greater than negative 6. I'll divide both sides by negative 2. So I flip my inequality. And x is less than 3. Notice that is not x is greater than 2. We can stop right there. We could do the others if you want, but there's only one solution on this one because I didn't say multiple solutions. Okay, letter 12. Which one of these is the solution to Tyrone's problem here? Now, since you got a fraction, the first thing I'll do is I'll clear my fraction. I'll multiply everything by 3. My 3's in the first one are going to reduce out, so I get 2x is greater than 4 times 3 is 12x. And then 10 times 3 is 30. Now to solve this, I think what I'll do is I will subtract 12x from both sides. So I'll go minus 12x from both sides. So then I'll get negative 10x is greater than 30. I'll divide both sides by negative 10. Remember, since I'm divided by negative, I flip my signs. So x is less than negative 3. So I want the one with an open circle at negative 3 and going to the left, and that choice is C. On question 14, it says it costs $30 to rent a moving van and plus 75 cents per mile. What's the maximum distance? In other words, what's my biggest distance I can drive to keep the total below? Below is my key here, $50. Below means less than. So I'm going to write my inequality. So it's going to cost me $30 no matter what. Then it's going to cost me 75 cents for every mile. I'll put M for miles. I want that to be below 50. So what I'm going to do is I have a whole bunch of answers that are going to be below 50, but I want to pick the biggest one. So let's solve this. So I will, first thing I'll do is we'll minus 30 from both sides. So then we'll get 0.75 m is less than 20. I'll divide both sides by 0.75. Use my calculator for that. So I'll take 20 divided by 0.75. And we get 26.7, we'll say. So I want the biggest number that's less than 26.7. Notice 27 is not less than 26.7. So our correct answer is indeed H. I think that's our last question. Just want to double check.